Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the device. Make sure battery is above 20% and you've backed up anything important. Once done, open Settings and go directly to About Phone or Software Information. This is where build numbers live. You need the exact model and Android version visible so you target the right menu. Now tap Software Information if shown and get ready to find build number. You'll use that to unlock developer options in the next step. Now you enable developer options. Tap build number 7 times in quick succession. You'll see a countdown or toast confirming progress. If the phone asks, enter your PIN, pattern, or password to verify it's you. This prevents accidental unlocking. Once it confirms, use the back button to return to the main settings screen and scroll toward the bottom. Developer options typically appears under System or Advanced. You can open it immediately to review toggles and permissions. Finish by switching developer options on at the top. This activates the controls you just unlocked. Then enable specific features like USB debugging, animation scale changes, or OEM unlocking with deliberate care. Each setting changes system behavior. If developer options didn't appear, reboot the phone and repeat the 7 taps, or check whether a carrier or device admin app blocks changes. If problems persist, remove any work profile or MDM, or consult device support to confirm restrictions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.